Welcome back to another GeoEnviro Pro Talk. In today's talk, dry cleaner case studies, we take a look at the environmental impact of dry cleaning, some case studies, and their remediation approaches. Tracing back to 1690, the dry cleaning industry began in Europe, initially using simple solvents like turpentine. As it evolved through the 1800s, we saw the introduction of carbon tetrachloride and gasoline, paving the way for modern dry cleaning methods. By the mid-20th century, tetrachloroethylene, also known as perchloroethylene or PERC, became prevalent. However, its widespread use led to significant environmental concerns, primarily groundwater, soil, and soil vapor contamination. Key case studies reveal the depth of these issues. During our webinar, we examined a shopping mall site and a scenario in a small city west of Stockholm, Sweden, where PERC contamination posed significant challenges to local water supplies. Understanding how PERC contaminates the subsurface as a dense non-aqueous phase liquid, or DNAPL, and migrates in the dissolved phase in groundwater is crucial to developing effective remedial strategies. The ability of PERC to migrate through concrete and enter deep soil and groundwater systems highlights the complexity of environmental impact and the difficulty of cleanup. Remediation techniques include excavation and in situ methods. However, the inconsistent distribution of PERC in soil and water complicates these efforts, often leaving behind residual contamination despite extensive cleanup. Field research studies, like those conducted by the University of Waterloo, clearly show the microscale migration of solvents in the subsurface and emphasize the need for precise detection methods in remediation. Recent advances in technology, such as enhanced biochemical oxidation and thermal treatment, show promise in reducing solvent concentrations. However, achieving complete restoration of affected areas remains a challenge. Successful remediation relies on detailed conceptual site models, understanding the subsurface dynamics, and the unpredictable nature of solvent spread. The information highlighted in this video just scratches the surface of all that was covered during our free in-depth half-hour webinar. To foster continued professional development, we have introduced an exclusive membership program. As a member, you will join a vibrant community of individuals who share your commitment to excellence in the environmental field. Our exclusive membership program offers unlimited access to full webinar recordings, future events, and discounts for just $15 a month. Corporate memberships are also available. Stay tuned for more engaging GeoPro Talks, and until next time, keep exploring the world of environmental science with GeoEnviro Pro. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.